Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to add favorites on Instagram. Instagram allows you to mark posts as favorites, making it easier to find them later. To add a post to your favorites, simply tap the three-dot menu on the top right corner of the post you want to save. Then select Add to Favorites. This will save the post in your favorites list. To view your favorites, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, and select Favorites under the Saved section. That's it. You can now easily access and manage all your favorite posts on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you in the next video.